Hello guys, I am Rajiv and welcome back to my channel Rajiv Code Works. So guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to get started with Raspberry Pi Pico. I will tell you what are the steps that you need to follow. Okay, step by step instruction I will give, like how you can download the firmware, like how to upload into the device, and what are the settings you need to do for the Thony ID. And we are going to use MicroPython, and then we'll run some program into the REPL, and also at the end we'll run LED blinking program into and we'll upload into this device. So let's get started. So guys, the first step is that you need to just keep pressing this boot cell button and then plug the USB into this. Then you will see this new drive would be created. So we are good to go. Now we need to go to the website and we need to download the firmware. For that, just open the Google Chrome and you need to hit this raspberrypi.org website and just look for the Raspberry Pi Pico drive. Okay, so I'm using Raspberry Pi Pico W, so that's what I'm just looking. Yeah, so this is for the Raspberry Pi, and the below one you can see this is for the Raspberry Pi Pico. So you need to click and you need to just download the latest one. So the top one is the latest one. Basically you can see it's released in the February, so you need to just click and then download will be started. So yep, let me do. Okay, it's downloaded now. And this is another way, like using this website also you can download the firmware. For that you need to go to the basically documentation and in datasets, and then here you need to find the basically the best way is like you can just do the Control F and search the Pi. Okay, Raspberry Pi. So then you can see. So yeah, not PDF, like we need to look for the UF2 extension, so it must be somewhere here. Yeah, you can see here, right? So that I mean using this also you can download, so any one would be fine. Okay, so that's fine. So let me just download this also. Okay, now we need to upload basically the firmware into the device. For that, basically what you have to do is we just need to open the downloaded folder, and uh, basically you just need to drag and drop. So I'm just making the window on one side, basically I mean both I will keep in the same screen, so that just I can drag and drop. Okay, let me just make it smaller, and you see there is a two files already. Okay, this is the firmware, it has been written. Okay, Raspberry Pi Pico, no need to worry about this file. So you can just drop here, and then you will see once it's completed, then the basically the new drive would be closed and you will get a new port basically. So in that once it's completed, you see it has gone. Okay, so now we are good to go for the programming. So the first thing is we need to find on which port basically I mean which new port has been created. Okay, so for that you need to go to the device manager and click on the ports, and yeah, this is the port, the COM3. Okay, COM3 port for this device basically. So then what we need to do is the same port we need to configure into the Thony ID, which will which I will show you. Okay, so let's first download this Thony ID, and I'm using Windows, so definitely I'm going to click on the Windows version. If you are using Mac, then you can click on the Mac and download. So yep, let me just download it. Okay, Yeah, so you just need to click on install for all users, or if you want to just for you, then just next. It's a simple steps to install, so nothing to nothing special here. Okay, so let it be completed, then we'll see the next step. Okay, so let me just go to this search and look for Thorny ID. Yep. Okay, so guys, so the next step would be that you need to click here and go to basically configure interpreter, and then you need to choose the Raspberry Pi Pico and the same port that you need to basically select, and you need to click the OK. So everything is set. Now let's run some command here basically on the cell directly, then we'll upload the file. We'll write in actual basically editor. So now we have a feature like we can directly execute the code here in the REPL basically. So let me just try to turn on and off, then we'll write a Blink code over there. So first we need to import machine, and then we create a variable and we instantiate this machine.pin. and here, so basically once we write here, basically this is for the built-in LED. Okay, so it will be detected all I'm by default. So let's just see pin.out. Okay, now we have 2 or 3 methods basically to turn on and off. So we have one is led.value 1, then LED would be turn on. You can see led.value 0 to turn off. Okay, we have another methods is dot toggle. So once we enter, then it will turn on, then again turn off. Then we have also a method like on and off, on and off, so you can use any of them. Okay, so this is perfectly fine. Now let's write in the editor actually and upload into the device. So basically this is not in the device, so like once we like reconnect, then the all program will be gone. Okay, so let's write here, and basically this is for the blinking. So let's again import machine, and like we need to blink, so we need timer also. So import time, and then again create the instance and store into this variable machine.pin and led machine.pin.out. Okay, so basically here you see minimal, with writing minimal we can do the same, which we need to write more on the Arduino IDE. So that's the advantage of this using basically MicroPython. So this loop will execute. So led.on, then led.on, and then time.sleep for let's say 0.5. so here time is not in milliseconds, so just keep in mind. So basically this is considered like 0.5 means like 500 millisecond. Okay, so in Arduino we had to basically that their time is defined in a millisecond, so just keep in mind. Okay, now we are doing led off, again time.sleep 0.5 again, and that's all. So what we have to do is we need to click so basically directly also we can just click run current script, then it will be run. So but again let's do properly. So let's save this, and once you click on save, this will ask like whether you want to save this file on your computer or device. So we will choose Raspberry Pi Pico, and the file name we need to give, so let's give blink.py, then okay. Okay, now let's run. Oh, software name true isn't defined, sorry, typo. Okay, save, and yep, you can see it's started blinking. Okay, so guys, I'm going to bring a lot of fantastic project. Okay, so just tune in, and if you like, please do subscribe, and if you already subscribed, then don't forget to share, like,